Fryer filter systems are a great investment in your kitchen. They reduce product spoilage and waste, reduce operating costs, double oil life, ensure consistent food quality, and increase profitability. All Imperial fryer filter systems are made in the USA with durable stainless steel, including a precision welded fry pot. Up to 6 fryers can be batteried into one filter system. Select from our Space Saver system or our filter system with drain station and food warmer. Both styles are available in 50 and 75 pounds capacity and in both tube and open pot models. Automatic basket lifts, computerized controls, snap action thermostats, and touchscreen controls are also available. The touchscreen digital controls provide expanded capability to program recipes, temperature control, basket lift operation. The stainless steel filter pan is conveniently located below to save valuable space. The innovative hands-free filter connection system provides high-flow drainage with a shorter downtime. All oil drains and return lines are internally plumbed for convenience and safety. The elevated self-leveling basin ensures fryers remain level on uneven floors. Filtering is essential for great-tasting fried foods, and Imperial makes it convenient, safe, and easy. Imperial, where reliability meets performance and excellence is always on the menu.